Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can get coins, trade it, and do the skill enhancement thing. So right here, after you got in the bunker, you'll need to go to the vending machine, sell some items, and you'll get these coins. And after that, if you come right here next to skill enhancement, you'll get this if you interact it, and you can just upgrade your skills like survival instinct, wide view, gun mastery, and all of this. So after you get required coins, just click start research, and that's pretty much it. Of course, as you can see, it requires cold core fragment. So that's pretty much it. That's how you upgrade and enhance your skills in Escape from Duckov. See you in the next one.